Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2017 Chevrolet City Express Cargo. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in nice shape. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. Ready to go to work. Okay, let's take a close look here. Front bumper, really nice shape. Look at that. A couple little marks here and there. Normal wear and tear for the mileage. Very nice. Does have a dent right here. Besides that, looks good. Headlamps are in good shape. Grille's in good condition. Take a look. Very nice. Hood's in nice condition. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Has a couple touch-ups here and there on the edge. Besides that, looks very nice. Windshield's in good shape. Does have a couple marks here and there. Normal wear and tear for the mileage. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful shape. Looks good. Very nice condition. Front door on the passenger side. Beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Rear sliding door. Beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Does have a couple little chip marks here and here. Besides that, looks good. Another little mark here. Taking a look at the rear panel on the passenger side. Has a little touch up right there and there. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the rear doors. Rear doors are in great condition. Very nice shape overall. A couple little scratches here on the edge there, down there, and up here. Glass is in good shape. Looks very nice. All right, take a look at the panel on the driver's side rear. Looks good. Does have a dimple right here, a dent. Little scratch right there. Taking a look at the sliding door. Really nice condition. It does have a big dent right there. Besides that, looks good. A couple little chip marks there. Driver door's in good shape. Nice condition. Take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Great shape. Like I said, the windshield does have some wear and tear on it. Overall in nice condition. Roof is in good shape. Normal wear and tear for the mileage. Really nice shape overall. All right, 2017 City Express Cargo LS model. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Armrest is in good shape. Controls for the power windows and locks. Very nice condition. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Driver seat's in great shape. There's a couple little imperfections here and there, but looks very nice. Beautiful shape. Rubber floors are in great condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice. Beautiful condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel in the front. Beautiful condition. Look at the armrest. Really nice shape. Controls for the power locks. Take a look at the handle. Power window. A little bit of storage here on the door. Very nice. Passenger seat in the front looks amazing. Really nice condition. Take a close look. Looks amazing. Look how clean it is. Very nice. Rubber floors are in great shape. Ready to go to work. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Beautiful shape all the way through. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area from the sliding door on the passenger side. Beautiful shape. Floors are in great condition. Just rubber floors. Take a look at the back of the seats. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area from the driver's side rear sliding door. Rubber floors are in great shape. Nice condition. A couple scratches here and there on all the panels. Besides that, looks good. Very nice condition overall. Beautiful shape. Really great condition. Very nice. Okay, we're going to start this baby up. Take a look here. We've got a key fob, lock, unlock, and panic. All right, let's go ahead and start it up. Starts up perfect. It has that check on. It's for tire pressure sensor. Looks like one of the tires is low. We got to take a look at that regardless, but you see there's no other lights. Super nice. So when we hold down this button here, we'll be able to see the mileage. Okay, let's take a look at the mileage. This one has 153,248 miles. Okay, let's take a look at the radio. Radio's in beautiful condition. Look at that. AM, FM, CD with auxiliary. Super nice. Really nice. Take a look at the air conditioning controls. Super nice condition. Automatic transmission. It's got a little airbag light for the passenger seat. This one has parking sensors in the rear, little power plug there, cup holders, really nice storage bin here in the center, really nice condition. Dashboard is beautiful shape, looks super clean, very nice. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. This one has cruise control on it, super nice. It also has steering radio controls. Traction control there, power windows, power locks, very nice. Take a quick look at the liner. Liner's in good shape, looks great. Visors are in great condition, beautiful shape throughout. This one does have the owner's manual. It's right here. It does have the owner's manual, super nice. Really great condition. Very nice. Stay tuned. We're going to take it for a test drive in a moment. Okay, let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. We have it in gear already. We're good to go. Really nice. Feels smooth. Brakes good. Feels nice. Get a little more speed here. Drives amazing, feels good. Super nice drive. Now you don't see the mileage on it because it has that tire pressure sensor light going off. So it doesn't let you see the mileage while we're driving it here. So we'll take a look at that. But the car does drive really nice. It feels smooth. It's pretty quick. Really nice drive. Okay, well that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at those tires, take a look under the hood. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the doors in the back here. Really nice shape. Couple scratches here and there, nothing major. Looks nice. Beautiful condition. This one has a rear defrost. It's got those little metal cage things there for they can't break the windows and get in. So a nice feature, safety feature there. Taking a look here. Inside looks nice. Very nice condition. Couple scratches here and there. Normal wear and tear for the mileage. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment on this one. Really nice shape, super clean throughout. Look at that. Beautiful condition. It's really nice. Let's take a look beneath the hood. Beautiful shape. Take a look at the emission sticker on this one. Very nice. Beautiful shape throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire looks really nice. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in good condition. Normal wear and tear for the mileage. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great shape. Look at that. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in good condition. Normal wear and tear for the mileage. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side. It's got the spare on it right now. Tire's in great shape. Rim is in good condition. Very nice. Normal wear and tear for the mileage. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks very nice. Good condition on the tire. Rim is clean and in good shape. Normal wear and tear for the mileage. Very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2017 Chevy City Express. The vehicle's in beautiful condition, really nice, ready to go to work. It's got about 150K on the clock. Drives perfect. Tires are in good shape. Ready to go to work. If you guys have any questions on this one, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.